Friends, Hari Prasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Topic is stress management. All of us need to tackle stress. Stress management is the need of the hour. Every person has stress. Be stress free in life. Stress management is the amelioration of stress. Amelioration of stress. Stress reduction. Stress reducing is called stress management. How you manage your stress. How you de-stress yourself. That is stress management. If you know certain event stresses you out, de-stress with fun activities or going on vacation or listening to smooth music. The stress management is very important. Robin Sharma, these type of people give lectures on stress management. How to de-stress yourself. When you are stressed, so much stress is there in you. What you have to do? See, certain event stresses you out. It's not happening. American visa is not coming. American visa slot is not given. Some stress is there in you. That time, you have to de-stress your stress with fun activities. Going on vacation, listening to soothing music, okay? Go to Goa, some resort, and de-stress yourself. Stressed don't work. Chronic stress needs practicing yoga, learning breathing techniques, laughter therapy. Chronic stress. Chronic stress, what you have to do? You need to practice yoga, learning breathing techniques. You learn breathing techniques. Breathing techniques you need to learn. Meditating, you need to do meditation and laughter therapy. Laughter therapy. That editor's wig fell down. So much laugh. People are laughing. So laughter therapy required to de-stress for the chronic stress. Strategies in stress management. Let us see what are the strategies in stress management. 1. Avoid unnecessary stress. For example, my friend, she always will have the stress. I don't know why. She has to unstress. She has to de-stress. Then she will be alright. She will be a good girl, good lady. Learn to say no. See, always yes, don't say. When you want to say no, you say no. Learn to say no, then no stress will be there. It is no, you say yes, what is the use? When you want to say no, say it. Taking on more than you can handle is a surefire recipe for stress. Say no when you want to say no, that's all. 2. Avoid people who stress you out. I want to avoid some people. For example, my editor, he stresses me all the time. So I avoided him today. 3. Take control of your environment. If going to the market is an unpleasant chore, do your grocery shopping online. Whatever you want to, such environment giving you stress, no, take control of that environment. You want to go to shopping for purchasing vegetables, etc. It is stressing you. Don't go. Buy online. 3. Be more assertive. Always be more assertive. What you want, you prove it. 5. Manage your time better. In time management, I said, time is to be managed in a better way. Manage your time. Time gone will not come back. Time spent won't come back. Money spent can come back. Money you can earn, time you can't earn. So time is money. That's why people say time is more than money. 6. Focus on the positive. Always positive. Focus on the positive. No negative, please. Learn to forgive. If there is something, no, you just learn to forgive people. You forget them. You excuse them. Forgive them. 8. Connect with others. Connect with the positive people, other people. Do something you enjoy every day. I enjoy doing something. How I can enjoy? You know, I prepare a lecture, I prepare episode, sit with the editor, and that editing thing, Lot of things can be done at editing table. I sit with him and I upload. That means doing videos, I do enjoying. That's my taste. Your taste may be different. So whatever tastes you, do that. Then keep your sense of humor. Always keep your sense of humor. Make people laugh. You laugh. Make people laugh. Keep sense of humor. 11. Exercise regularly. Daily you need to do exercise. Daily you need to do exercise. So that your body and brain also will be active. 12. Eat a healthy diet. Healthy food eat. Bhaji. That is veggies. Not veggies. Leafy curries. Leafy curries, veggies, all healthy food you eat. We have one episode on what to eat, what not to eat. Watch that and see what are the healthy things, healthy food we have to eat. We have given you what to eat, what is required for human body, that we have given one episode on eating habits. 3. Reduce caffeine and sugar. No coffee, no tea, no sugar. Reduce or avoid caffeine and sugar. 14. Avoid alcohol, cigarettes and drugs. Don't drink tin beer. Never drink beer or alcohol, toddy, cigarettes also. Never take cigarettes. Never. Drugs. Don't take drugs. No tin beer, no cigarettes, no drugs. They are not for the human body. Definitely, they are not for the human body. The human structure, the bowel system, the intestine system don't want these type of tin beer, alcohol, cigarette, drug. No. Never touch. Chutrani. Never touch. 15. Get enough sleep. 8 hours a day. Sleep will do. More than that, don't take. Oversleeping, excessive sleeping is not at all good. People who are sleeping excessively, oversleepers, no, money won't come to them. Lakshmi, Dhana Lakshmi won't come to them. Money won't come to them. That is why don't oversleep. Enough sleep. 8 hours a day will do. 32. During that time only. When you want to sleep, no, during that time only sleep. Your schedule, sleep schedule, keep a sleep schedule. Mine is 9 to 5. 9 to 5 I sleep. Simple realization that you are in control of your life is the foundation of stress management. If you are in control of your life, that is what stress management is. Managing stress is all about taking charge. You take charge of your life so that you can manage your stress. Taking charge of your thoughts, your emotions, your schedule, your environment, and the way you deal with the problems. It all depends on you, how you deal with your problems. It all depends on you so that your stress can be de-stressed. In the first place, stress won't come at all. Ultimate goal is a balanced life. Life should be balanced life. Work life, private life, public life, home life. Okay, all you need to have balanced life. That is the meaning of life. Yoga is an ancient form of exercise that can reduce stress and muscular tension or pain. Muscular tension, muscular pain can be reduced with the help of yoga. Yoga is an ancient practice. Yoga is an ancient form of exercise. Yoga relieves tension and job stress. No job stress, no tension if you do 1 hour a day yoga. Occupational stress. Workplace stress is also called occupational stress. Employment stress, workplace stress, occupational stress you need to avoid. Occupational stress is directly experienced from occupation. Whatever occupation you are in, from that occupational stress comes. Okay? In my life, in 30 years of service, I never had occupational stress. Why should we take occupation? For getting stress? Do our job nicely, joyfully, then no occupational stress. The stimulus causing the stress is said to be the stressor. What stressor is there? Avoid that. Don't go to stressors. Cause of occupational stress are task demands. Occupational stress causes task demands, physical demands of a job, workplace culture. These all will contribute to. These all contribute to workplace stress. That is occupational stress. High stress levels lead to psychosomatic disorders like hypertension, diabetes, heart disease, arthritis, spinal disorders, irritable bowel syndrome, etc. High stress levels. If you have high stress levels, what will happen? That lead to high stress levels lead to psychosomatic disorders like hypertension, BP, diabetes, sugar, heart disease, arthritis, spinal disorders, irritable bowel movement, irritable bowel syndrome. Yoga intervention is stress management. So, for any stress or anything is there, no? If something is not going well, we go for the intervention. So, yoga is the right intervention for stress management. You can de-stress yourself. You can manage yourself using practicing yoga. Yoga is emerging a scientifically validated and effective intervention to address stress and stress-related disorders. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Ramdev Baba, they practice yoga. Okay? So, yoga is emerging a scientifically validated and effective intervention. Yoga is effective intervention to address stress and stress-related disorders. Yoga is a holistic science of which deals with physical, mental, emotional and spiritual health. Yoga not only for spiritual, physical, mental, emotional and spiritual health yoga gives. Regular practice of asana, pranayama, meditation, you can maintain good health and live longer. If you practice yoga, asanas, pranayama, meditation, you can have good health, you can live longer. Stress is a proxy killer. Stress is a silent killer, proxy killer, indirect killer. Too much pressure for too long time leads to stress. Too much pressure, then that leads to stress. Stress is the cause and stress is the effect. Stress is the cause and stress is the effect. Stress warning signs. Let us see. Headaches. If people have stress, what the signs are, what the symptoms are. Headaches, muscle pain, stomach problems, sweating, feeling dizzy, dry mouth, feeling irritable, feeling tense, temper outburst, smoking excessively, being forgetful, withdrawing from usual work. These are the symptoms of stress. People who have stress, they feel, they experience these symptoms. If the answer to the following questions is yes, you are experiencing stress. So, the ones I have already given, if you are experiencing, If you are experiencing stress means you have those. That's all. If you are experiencing stress means you have those. Do you live awake worrying? 2. Do you get frustrated easily? 3. Do you grind your teeth? Do you grind your teeth? 4. Do you regularly eat in a hurry? 5. Do you flare up easily at other people? Let us see stress management tips. 1. Breathe easily. Breathe easily. 2. Visualize calm. 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 3. Boost your vitamin intake. Vitamin intake you take from the vegetables and from direct foods, not from tablets. 4. Take a walk. Take a walk every day. Every day walk required. 5. Listen to music. 6. Dial a friend. Hello, friend. Adi. How are you? Say a little player. Nam yo renge kyo. Nam yo renge kyo. Nam yo renge kyo. Say a little prayer. So with that you can minimize your stress. Stress management nowadays in 21st century, in 2021, April 2021, you need to de-stress yourself. If you don't have stress, you live longer and you behave with people very nicely. Before closing this lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hari Prasad. You become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.